Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Good evening, students. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss some basic questions that related with organic chemistry, like hydrocarbon. Circle the correct option. Each question carries 1 mark. Question number 1. Addition reaction take place in dash compound. First we have to see that this reactions occurs in which kinds of compound. Here options have been given: A. Saturated, B. Unsaturated, C. Both, and D. None. First we have to know that this reaction take place in unsaturated compound like alkene and alkyne. Here ethene to ethane. Here conversion take place in ethene to ethane, in which we know that catalyze is used in that reactions. We know that CH2 double bond CH2 in presence of catalyze nickel or platinum or platinum, in which H2 is added and then form ethane. CH3 CH3 single bond CH3 CH3. In this way, here double bonds break up and it converts into single bond, and here ethene by adding H2 it convert into ethane. In this way, here its answer is unsaturated compound. Now we see the next option. Question number 2. Which catalyze is used in unsaturated compound? Here options have been given: A. Nickel, B. Platinum, C. Palladium, and D. all of these. Just before we discuss about the catalyze in which these all catalyze used in conversion of ethene to ethane or ethyne to ethane. Here catalyze like nickel, platinum and PD are used, and that helps in conversion to breaks double or triple bond into single bond, and in this way it converts into other compound. So here answer is D. Now in this way we see that question number 3, the saturated compounds show the reaction as. Here options have been given: A. Combustion, B. Addition, C. Substitution, and D. Substitution and combustion. We have to know that saturated compound shows two types of reaction, in which first substitution, in which it occurs in alkane like CH4 by adding chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight. It forms CH3Cl, chloromethane, and HCl. In this way, when chloromethane reacts again chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, then it converts dichloromethane. It's again dichloromethane reacting with chlorine to form dichloromethane, and again it reacts to form carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. In this way, these reactions occurred by the saturated compound like alkane. So it is a substitution reaction, and it also shows combustion reaction. We know that combustion reaction in which methane in presence of oxygen, it converts into CO2 plus H2O plus heat. In this way, saturated compound shows both reaction, substitution and combustion reaction. Now, your option is very clear. Now we see the next question, question number 4. Which suffix is used in saturated compound? First, we have to know that in saturated compound, which suffix is applied? Here options have been given: A, ENE, B, ein, C, N, D, L. So first we have to know that in saturated compound it is of one kind like alkane. So here its name clear, its suffix N, and unsaturated compound it is of two kinds, alkene and alkyne. Here its suffix is very clear, and alkyne. In alkene double bonds occur, and in alkyne it remains triple bond. So its suffix is very clear, so we have to understand which is the correct option. Now we have to solve it. Now we see the next question. If number of carbon is 3, tell the root word of organic compounds. Here first we have to know that if number of carbon is 1, then its root word is known as meth. If carbon is 2, then eth. If carbon is 3, then prop. If carbon is 4, then it called bute, and carbon is 5, known as pent. In this way, we easily derive the root word from given options. Now we see the next question, question number 6. Which organic compounds possess double bonds? just before I told about which saturated compound belongs to double bonds and triple bond. We know that here options have been given: A. Saturated, B. Unsaturated, C. Both, and D. None. We know that saturated, in which single bond is found like in alkane, and unsaturated, it is of two kinds, in which alkene and alkyne. Alkene, in which we know that they possess double bond, and in alkyne it remains triple bond. So we can easily derive double and triple bond. We see the example like unsaturated compound ethene. It is an example of alkene of unsaturated compound. So here double bond is occur, and in alkyne it is found triple bond. So it lies in alkyne, so it is also kind of unsaturated compound. In this way we easily derive double and triple bond from given option. Now we see the next question, question number 7. What is the general formula of saturated compound? Here options have been given: CnH2n, B. CnH2nO, C. CnH2n plus 1, D. CnH2n plus 2. So first we have to know that in saturated compound we know that only one kind of compound like alkane. So its general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and in unsaturated compound that are of two kinds, alkene, which general formula is CnH2n, and in alkyne formula is CnH2n minus 2. So we can easily derive the correct answer from given option. Now we see the next question, question number 8. Which one of these is not a saturated compound? Here, before some time ago, we discussed about saturated and unsaturated compound. Options have been given: A. Butane, B. Hexane, C. Propene, D. Pentane. So first we have to derive we know that saturated compound like alkane, it clear from its name Ane. So here if Ane is found in given compounds, then it is lie in alkane. If it is not, then answer is clear. So we can easily derive which one is not a saturated compound. So we see the next question. Question number 9. Which one of these compound contains triple bond? Here we have to derive each options. Now we see C4. First we derive C4. Now here we have to put its valency. We know that the valency of carbon is 4, so we put hydrogen one by one. In this way, here only single bond is found in this compound, so it is not correct option. Now we see the next option. Option B, C6H6. Here it connected with then in this way, here only single and double bond is found, so it is not clearly the correct option. So it is the structure of benzene, so it is not correct option. Now we see the next option. Option C, C5. C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we put it valency. Now here we see that 3 to 5 to 7 to 9 and 3 to 12. So it is also single bond is found in this compound, so it is not correct. Now last one, we see C4 and S6. If we put here triple bond, then now we count its valency. 3, 1, 4, it is satisfied. 3 and 1, it is also satisfied. Now here 1, then we have to put 3 valency. We have to put 3 valency. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here triple bond is found in this compound, so it is correct option. Your option is C4H6. It's correct option. Now question number 10. How many covalent bonds are found in propane? First we derive methane. See, we know that in methane how many covalent bond? Covalent bond, that means it is formed by adding of two non-metal. It's called covalent bond. So here carbon and hydrogen is non-metal, so it is formed covalent bond. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then covalent bond is 4. In this way, in methane only 4 covalent bond is found. Now we see in propane, we know that in propane number of carbon is 3, so we put it valency, then we derive easily covalent bond. Now Here answer is clear, so we count single bond and derive it answer. In this way, here options have been given: A7, B4, C10 and D14. So first we have to draw the structure and then derive its clear answer. In this way, we easily derive all the answer of given questions. If you like this video, give comments. Thanks for watching this.